you.
I'm looking for my friend.
Monsieur?
Gavin. Gavin.
How you doing?
Where the hell are you?
Mister? Ooh. Wouldn't believe it if I hadn't.
Hey, mister.
Have you seen Gavin?
You still haven't found him?
How do you do,
Nope.
sir?
But I won't give up. He's lost. One morning, I just woke up and he wasn't there. Someone must have taken him.
Maybe he just left.
Gavin? No. No. We were best mates. I mean, really, best mates. He'd never leave me. Never. Gavin! Oh, I am so worried.
Okay, fella.
Gav! Gav! Where are you? Where are you?
You're a good boy.
Hello, dear.
Hello, gentlemen.
Look here. I hope you're gonna use that permit I gave you soon. There's a bounty poster on the wall there. Not one you can demonstrate your machine on. You going after Lindsi Uofforda?
I might be. Or I might just want to hang his poster up on my wall.
Yeah, they're a bad lot, the Lamone Raiders. Stupid fellas.
You must be
Won't leave
damn
good enough
stupid
alone.
if you think you could come back
One of
here.
these days, the government's gonna get sick of private militias, you know.
One of these days, the government's gonna get sick of all of us.
Don't tell them I said that.
The bounty. Why are you making this feller someone else's problem?
We, sir, are an urban police force. And the Raiders are, well, mostly a rural nuisance. My men simply are not suited for this kind of work. May they make you as possible.
Howdy, son.
Yeah, nearly done, boy. Yeah, there you go.
Hello there.
Hey, partner.
This land of equality is a sham and a disgrace.
Hi.
Do you want to be happy, sir? Then you need to be rich. And the only way, the easiest way, the best way to get rich is to read about it in my book. This is the veritable Bible of success, my friends. This book will make you the person you have always wanted to be, a rich bully.
That feller is heading for a whooping way he behaves.
Partner?
Hello, friend. Do you want to be rich?
Sure, I'll take one.
That'll be $50.
$50 for a book?
And cheap at the price. You read this and you'll want to give me 100 more.
Sure.
The best investment you'll ever make, my friend. Listen to me, friends. This book, this precious tome, this passport to earthly paradise, I have written it for you, so that you can be like me, a rich, happy, successful man who is now dedicating his life to helping those with the wisdom to help themselves. Yes, I'm a philanthropist. An American philanthropist. I only help those who help themselves. Help themselves how, I hear you ask? Help themselves by reading this book. Read this book and save yourself. You'll live free from worry about money. You'll be in a mansion, not the workhouse. Your children will grow up wealthy and supercilious, not street urchins and thieves. Think about it. Think about, you want freedom, you want happiness, you need money! It's all right here! You are clearly interested or you wouldn't still be here. Why not just buy the book? Buy my book! Read my book! Do exactly what I say and you'll be rich! Rich, rich, rich! Top hats, the finest canes, expensive cigars, a wife with soft hands, 100 servants, a mansion, a summer house by a northern lake. It's all there for you, all of it and more if you're man enough to take it. I'm man enough to stand here and make a prize goal to myself for you because I care. I care.
Yes. Oh, we are.
Mind yourself.
There! You're going to be in a better place! Stay calm! Breathe deep and repent! For you will be moved to a better realm! Ladies and gentlemen, behold the calm removal of this man's existence! Incredible! He's nearly dead! So humane! Ah! Oh, his life may have been troubled, but his passing is peaceful!
Kill him already!
Somebody shoot me, please.
Oh, let's get out. They don't seem overly humane to me.
I think it's mighty fine.
Hello, sir.
I need to get out of here!
Shite! Oh my God! then.
Business and keep walking, huh?
Don't have to tell me twice.
Oh, stupid pal! Oh, shit!
Hope you boys chose a full safe. Easy. Yeah. Yep. Easy there.
Leave me be, damn it!
Go, boy! Go on! Scoot, boy! It's okay. Shh, boy. Whoa. Get going, boy. Go on, boy.
Leave me alone!
Not a bad haul. Hey, boy. Yeah. There we go.
Move along. Not interested.
Lindsi Uofford, I got here a warrant for your arrest, or the other thing if it comes to it.
A federal warrant? No, that don't mean much in a sovereign territory, mister. We've been beaten down and driven out enough. Let's make...
Come away peacefully and you can live.
Ah! We need a man on the crankers! Get him! I don't know who this no-account bounty hunter is. He don't know the raiders. It's the Mississippi Yard for you. He's on government orders. It ain't our government. Being here's your choice. For us, he kept that son of a bitch. Come on, you son of a bitch! You about to come to an end, damn bird! Do that close. Keep still. Got me a captive. I do not surrender! Men! Men! Is anyone left? God damn!
I guess all that remains is to take you in.
Damn you to hell! Girl! Oh, you bastard! Oh, get off me! Oh, damn you! Ah! Oh, lackey! Oh, ow!
Now, sit tight. I'll get us to Saint Denis.
I won't go there. I won't.
Ain't really up to you, partner.
atrocity! It's an abomination! Oh, shame on you! Oh, you're outside the law, mister! This is illegal! And immoral! And a whole lot more besides!
Back of that horse. That's Lindsi Uofford. Hey, thanks for keeping him alive, mister. But we're collecting that bounty instead of you.
I did all the hard work.
This is government!
Everyone wants it. You, Mr. Wofford. Now, let's get you back.
Who's that warrant from, huh? Oh, the U.S. government? But it ain't valid, because I'm no longer a citizen of the so-called United States. No, this ain't de jure. The federal government don't have no jurisdiction over me. I'm a citizen of the free state of Lemoyne, and am subject to state law alone. Understand that, you dumb bastard? This is what this country's become. It's a cesspit, a disaster, an abomination. Bounty hunters killing each other for the pleasure of taking a man's freedom? Awful, awful. It's greedy, grasping, carpetbagger bullcrap, and we're drowning in it. We're up to our ears, sir. There's no room.
It's just an arrest, you melodramatic clown.
The Lemoyne Raiders ain't done yet. We are bloody, but unbowed. We will never surrender. Shit.
Híjole.
Hey, Woff. Don't like talking to you folk normally, but you're a Lemoyne Raider, right? So I thought I'd say, I'm bunking at your old place at the moment. Shady Belle?
What? You the fellers that took the bell? You murdering animals! You savage Yankee bastards! You'll get your comeuppance, all right?
You know, I ain't sure that we will.
Mierda.
Papa told me the preacher went to skip service on account of this.
Jesus.
Well, not the first time.
What the heck?
Damn. I should have eaten a proper meal.
Well, I'll be.
C'est pas vrai!
Our journey is almost at an end.
Oh, I hope the night folk get you, you son of a bitch, and hang you from a tree.
You did real good, boy.
Goodness.
Yeah, this is it.
Damn the police! Damn every one of them! Traitors!
Come on.
Traitor to your state!
Got a live one for you.
Well, looky here. We got a genuine Lamont Raider in the building. Make the poor fella comfortable in one of our cells.
Bet you ain't felt a bed in a while.
Damn traitor's bed. Get me off of here.
Calm down.
Well, that's what there was, and not a penny more.
I'm worth every penny.
Now get out of here. Just go, why don't you?
Time to go, boy. Head still rolling from the road.